I'm obsessed with my hair. Like, I ain't seen this much definition in a while.
What the fuck, Astro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got this really nice fluffy defined twist out, then just keep on watching. So for the products in today's video were gifted to me by RandCo. This is the first product that I use. It's their One Prep spray. It is a pH balancer as well as a detangler and a light conditioner. It's also going to help your products adhere a lot more evenly and distribute throughout the hair. So for my next product, this is the High Dive. It is a moisture and shine cream. Its purpose is to give the hair a nice smooth and soft effect, as well as moisture and canceling out any frizz. And as you can see, for the consistency, it is a cream, but it dissolves down into a very thin base. Next, we have the Turntable, which is the curl defining cream, and so far my favorite product because this had your girl's curls looking mighty juicy. So the cream is a very lightweight cream that's going to give moisture and definition, as well as giving the hold without looking crunchy or hard. So to prep my hair, I'm just starting out by detangling, making sure I don't have any nicks or naps that I need to get out before I start my twist out. Now my hair is more on the finer side, so I like to do bigger sections when it comes to doing my twist outs when my hair is already pre-stretched, because if not, it kind of just it takes away from it and it's not as full. I don't know, for some reason it just kind of looks weird. So I always try to do like medium to big sections. As you can see on the other side, my other half of my head is done. Also, I forgot to mention that these products are created without parabens. They are sulfate free and free with mineral oils, and as well as petroleum. They're also cruelty free, vegetarian, and gluten free, I believe. But if y'all are interested in these products, I definitely think you should try them out because I was very pleased with them. And you can tell that my hair just like soaked up the product way different. So pretty much I'm going in order of using the prime spray first, then the moisturizing cream, and then the curl defining cream. And I'm going to show you how I do my twist outs, because I don't just twist it all the way. I kind of braid at the root, but I'll show you that in just a second. Also, I was unsure of the consistency and how thick it was going to be in my hair, so I did not use bigger than pea size amounts for each section. I did kind of go in a little bit with maybe a little bit more curl defining cream on my ends. But as you can see here, I'm just taking it and I'm splitting my hair into 3 sections first. And I start by braiding. This just kind of stretches my hair out from my root. And then about mid halfway, I will take those 3 sections and split them into 2 and just start twisting it like a normal twist out. And then I just wind my ends to make sure everything is smooth and sleek together. Alright, so here I'm just showing you again how I'm doing it. So I do prep my hair with water just to kind of open the hair shaft up so the products can be penetrated into the strands. And then I take the prep spray, and after that, then the moisture cream as well as the curl defining cream. And then I will go in and start my braid into a twist out. Alright, so I'm going to show you one last time. I've already finished pretty much the rest of my head, so this is just the last section that I have to do. I am moisturizing and applying my curl cream after I've already put the prep spray in my hair. And as you can see, my curls pretty much come straight back after wetting them. I don't have any heat damage because I don't straighten my hair that often. But if you do, just make sure you're protecting your hair as well. So as you can see, I braided at the root about, I want to say 2 inches is pretty much how far I braided across the board. And then I am just twisting it all the way down to the ends. So this is the finished twist out. As you can see, my sections, braids, twists, whatever you want to call them, do you see the amount of shine that my hair is giving? Like, this is crazy. I am like in love with how shiny my hair was when I took this out, which you'll see shortly. And on a serious note, I really feel like my curls were like the most nourished they've ever been without using a lot of products. So this was the end of the night, and so I was about to take my makeup off and go to bed and take it down the next day. So I had already took the half that I had done first down. I don't know why, but I just went ahead and took it down. And so I don't have anything on my fingers, but typically I would put a little bit of oil on my fingers just to kind of help break up the twist out so I don't cause any extra frizz. But don't try to pull apart any sections that don't want to pull apart on their own, because that's how you create more friction and frizz on the hair strand. So I'm just very gently, softly, it doesn't look that soft, but I'm going super soft just to try to take these out.
I'm obsessed with my hair. Like, I ain't seen this much definition in a while. Like, these products 100%, like, and my hair isn't crunchy. It doesn't feel like hard or anything. It's super soft, and then like my hair is just like literally separating apart. I don't know if it's because, you know, my hair was already straight before doing this, but you know, my hair is already natural. It's super healthy, so it's already naturally soft. So but yeah, like, it doesn't have like a really hard cast or anything. My hair kind of has like slight bit like that, like not really filmy, but like it's not dry all the way, and that's probably my bad because I did my hair super late and then went straight to bed. I probably should have let it air dry a little bit more before going to sleep. But like, do y'all see my hair? I'm about to fluff it out here in a second, but this is, oh, I love it. Like, I'm obsessed with my hair. I'm just kind of picking the strands apart, and I always pick strands apart where they already naturally want to break away, because if not, you're gonna have like you're gonna have a frizzy mess basically. So I'm just pulling it apart where it naturally wants to break up, and I'm kind of like really in a rush, so I'm about to just flip my hair and pick out the I'm not trying to pick it out too much because these curls are really defined. I'm like, so I ain't worn my hair curly in a really long time, y'all, so this says a lot. Okay, this is probably as big as I'm gonna get it for now because I don't want it to be super big. It's already like raining outside, so this is the finished look. I'm probably gonna be buying these products regularly because I ain't like, this is nice. Like, my curls look so pretty, and I ain't said that like, oh my gosh, I love my hair. I love it. I love my hair. This is so cute. I will link all of the products that I use down below. If y'all have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Before I wanted to get off, I kind of wanted to show y'all pictures. So this is, of course, my hair after the first day. This picture was 2 days after, and then this last picture was 4 days after I done my twist out, and you can still see my definition, guys.